Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your trusted channel for smart, simple, and profitable trading ideas. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most accurate binary trading strategies for pocket option, using just two powerful indicators. These indicators are popular among traders and work across almost all market types. If you want to learn how to take high probability trades, make sure you watch this video till the end. No skipping. You'll need the full explanation to use this strategy the right way. Quick disclaimer, trading binary options involves risk. You could lose money, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, only invest what you can afford to lose, and do your own research before placing any trades. If you find value in this content, please subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new strategy. Your support really motivates me to keep sharing helpful content every week. Let's talk about today's strategy. We're using just two indicators, the Keltner Channel and Stochastic Oscillator with default settings. Here's how it works. Sell trade setup when the candle touches or moves above the upper Keltner Channel, and the Stochastic Oscillator is in the overbought zone. Then take a sell trade. Buy trade setup when the candle touches or moves below the lower Keltner Channel, and the Stochastic Oscillator is in the oversold zone. Then take a buy trade. Use a 1-minute candle time frame and a 3-minute expiry time. Best time to trade? Stick to the European and New York sessions for more accurate signals. Avoid trading during news events to stay away from unpredictable market spikes. Test it first on a demo account. Build your confidence before using real money. The best part? This strategy works on pocket option, IQ option, Olymp Trade, and even OTC markets. It's versatile, easy to follow, and perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike. Now grab a notebook, stay focused, and let's jump into the charts where I'll show you everything, step by step. Let's level up your trading skills together. All right, traders, check this out. This is a textbook sell trade setup based on our strategy. As you can see, the price is above the Keltner Channel, and at the same time, the Stochastic Oscillator is in the overbought zone. That's exactly the signal we need for a high probability sell trade. Now let's patiently wait for the result. Remember, no need to rush. The key is to follow the rules and stay calm. While we wait for the outcome, here's a quick tip. The more disciplined you are with following the exact entry rules, the better your results will be in the long run. Avoid emotional trading and always trust your system. And look at that! The trade closed in profit. That's how powerful this simple two-indicator strategy can be when used correctly. This is a perfect sell trade setup, just like we discussed in the rules. Right now, the price is touching the upper line of the Keltner Channel, and at the same time, the Stochastic Oscillator is in the overbought zone. That means the market may reverse from here. So we've placed a sell trade, and now we'll just wait calmly for the result. Patience is key, traders. Don't panic or rush. Let the market do its thing. While we wait, let me share a quick pro tip. Always enter the trade only after the candle closes and all conditions are met. Never jump in too early. It's better to miss a trade than to take a wrong one. And here we go. The trade has closed. Yes, it's a winner. You see how clean and accurate this setup was? That's the power of sticking to the strategy and not overcomplicating things. This buy trade setup looks perfect according to our strategy. Take a look. The price is currently below the Keltner Channel, and the Stochastic Oscillator is in the oversold zone. These two signals together tell us that the market is likely to go up from here. So we've entered a buy trade with a 3-minute expiry. Now let's just wait and watch the result. While the trade is running, here's a small but powerful reminder. Always follow the setup exactly. Don't trade if one of the conditions is missing. Consistency is what brings long-term success in trading. And if you're new to trading, don't worry. Strategies like this are great because they're easy to understand and don't need any complicated tools. Just practice it on a demo account until you feel confident. A few more seconds to go. And yes, this one also closed in profit. That's how well this strategy works when you apply it correctly. Simple indicators, clear rules, and strong results. Let's now look at one more example to make sure you really understand how to spot the setups and enter confidently. All right, traders, this is another textbook sell trade setup based on our strategy. The price is clearly above the Keltner Channel, and the Stochastic Oscillator is in the overbought zone. We've entered the trade, and now we'll wait calmly for the result. As always, no panic, no overthinking. Just trust the process, and let's see how it closes. Another successful trade right in the bag. This shows that with just 2 simple indicators and proper timing, you can spot high-quality trade opportunities over and over again. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to help you win more trades. Stick to the rules. Don't guess or go with emotions. Avoid trading during major news events. Focus on the European and New York sessions for better accuracy, and always practice on demo first before risking real money. This strategy works great on Pocket Option, IQ Option, Olymp Trade, or any platform that supports 1-minute candles and 3-minute expiry. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on future strategies and trading tips. Your support really helps me keep creating more valuable content to help you grow as a trader. Thanks for watching till the end, and as always, stay focused, stay disciplined, and happy trading. See you in the next video.